How to use someone's code on Temu. First of all, head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for temu.com. It will land you on this interface. First of all, you need to log into your account. Choose the account that is associated with your Temu account. You have been logged into your account. Now tap on your profile. Head over to Coupons and Offers. You will be landing on this interface. Right here you will get to see enter coupon code. So if there is any type of coupon code that someone has sent you, or even the gift card, then what you want to do is tap on this section. You can simply enter the code right here. And then once you are done, tap on apply. Depending upon the value of the code, it's gonna apply to your Temu account and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to use someone's code on Temu account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.